Just wanted to make a quick video to first off thank Lorraine and just share my experiences with her. I was lucky enough to have worked with Lorraine both on the buying and the selling side. Couldn't have gone smoother. She really treated me and my wife not like a client, but more like family. You text her 2 seconds back, she take care of whatever you're looking for. I think within about a week or so, we were in contract both on the buying and the selling side. So as a realtor, as a friend, can't go wrong with Lorraine and can't thank her enough. Um, Take it from us, nice and easy. Couldn't recommend her highly enough to anybody who's looking for a realtor.